Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today, we're traveling to the 1970s to discover tuna olive chili spread. Oh, you're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've been getting so many requests for recipes, and also I've been getting so many of you to share your family recipes, so I'm going to start making episodes on the ones I can. Today, I want to thank Patty S. She submitted this super easy, super delicious spread that her mom used to make for her in the 70s. It's a great snack, great for the kids, especially a great way to get them to eat tuna. So let's get started. Okay, simplest thing ever. I have in here a can of 5-ounce tuna, you know, the small cans of tuna, drained, and I have it in a bowl. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it's all flaked. Okay, we're almost done, can you believe it? Okay, to that, we are gonna add a 4-ounce can of old school 1970s, still popular today, but not as much as the 70s, green chilies. Just put the whole can in there. And to that, we're gonna add a 4-ounce can of chopped olives. And that's it. Literally, we're done. Let's mix it up and just make sure it's all blended extremely well. And now I'm going to get my fork out of the way and put my spoon in because this is where it just blends extra well. And my friends, that's it. This was her snack that her mom used to make her, and she used to just eat it all the time. So I'm so excited that you shared it with me, Patty. It's really, really good. Okay, so now it's just time to make it super pretty. Is this just the most adorable little dips thing ever? And look, it comes with a little shoe spreader. Oh, I can't stand it. I have been waiting for an episode to use this. So this can be easily for a party as well, which is why we're making it super pretty. Get the martini a little bit out of the way. And you're just gonna make this, you can just put it in a bowl and serve it with crackers for your kids, or you can make it a little more fancy and do that. Look how cute that is. So Patty says that her mom used to serve it with Ritz crackers. So guess what I've got? Ritz crackers. And you just spread a little more. Uh-oh, I'm spilling a little bit. And eat. How simple is that? It's quick, it's easy, and look at that. People will love it. It's just a very, very different flavor combination. That's absolutely perfect. Thanks for stopping by. Have a request or family retro recipe to share? You can post or reach out to me on my Facebook page. The link is in the description. If you have made one of my recipes, I'd love to see it. Please tag your picture on Instagram at Yester Kitchen. It would make my day. I'll see you in the next video.